Hi everyone. Now I'm going to explain about my idea is using generative AI to support for admission assistant. I'm Vương. And here is agenda today. First I will introduce about my idea. Next, we will identify the problem and when we're using generative AI, which problem does it solve? Next, we're choosing the right service to implement our architecture and overall architecture. And one of the key ideas I had is that every year, universities spend a significant amount of money on admission assistance, and the volume of costs is enormous, and it's becoming increasingly difficult to meet the growing demands of prospective students. With the rise of generative AI, we now have a powerful tool that can help to reduce the workload of admission assistants, making the process more efficient and effective. And that's why I'm building a contact center solution to support admission assistants, leveraging the capabilities of generative AI. Next, let's discussing about problem and solution. Here are some common challenges faced by traditional contact centers. The first challenge is dealing with a high volume of customer calls. Customers can call at any time, often when it's most convenient of them, but unfortunately, this often falls out of operating hours of the contact center staff, resulting in many calls outgoing unanswered. And in the case we using chatbot solution, it can only respond based on a preset script, which may lead to repetitive response if the user doesn't follow the exact instruction provided by the chatbot. And if we using generative AI for chat, can be time consuming and inefficient. So there are some of the difficulties encountered when implementing traditional admission call center model. So we can consider a solution that utilizes generative AI as an assistant. We would replace repetitive tasks of contact center agents with the capabilities of generative AI. By integrating generative AI into this solution, we can achieve several key benefits. The first is fast response time. Next is availability to assist parents and students at any time, anywhere, and ability to collect information for more personalized advice and accurate and reliable information delivery. Next, let's choosing the right service. Here are a few services that will be selected to implement in the system. First is Amazon Connect to build the contact center. Amazon Bedrock is for quickly developing machine learning models. Amazon Kinesis video stream for handling calls audio processing. Lambda is for backend logic processing. SignMaker to convert audio to text, and additionally, SQS and DynamoDB is used for messaging and data storage. Next, let's see how I combine services together. Here's the workflow of the contact center. Parents or students call the admissions hotline, and the call is routed to Amazon Connect. Then Amazon Connect receives the call and initiates audio streaming. A Lambda function in the Amazon Connect flow is triggered to push the metadata of each audio stream segment into a queue, and separate Lambda function process new metadata asynchronously as is added to the queue. An asynchronous Lambda function Use the whisper endpoint to convert void to text and search for answer in Bedrock. Once Bedrock returns an answer, it is sent to the play prompt block in the Amazon Connect flow to respond to customer questions. That's all about my idea, and I have some additional resource on GitHub for you. Thanks for your listening.